Oh, y'all, my arm hurt for real though. Oh. Hey y'all, welcome to KMONE's salon. Okay, so today we're gonna be doing some knotless box braids. I'm pretty sure y'all already know. All right, so let me show y'all everything I'm using. I got me some Eco Styler gel, the black kind. This is the best kind. And I got some pre-stretched braiding hair. So this is what my hair is looking like. Okay. Stop playing with her. She is not one of them. Okay. Don't play with me. Please don't play with me, because when I say I be doing my hair, girl, I be doing my hair. Y'all gotta get y'all some of these clips because they come in handy. So I have 6 rows over here and I have 6 rows over here. And before I started doing it, I pre-parted it so I know like it's even. But I'm about to show y'all how I get my parts super clean, girl, like really neat. So this is my next row that I'm working on. And I'm gonna just part off this first square in the front. Just like that, and then I'm gonna take my gel. Oh y'all, please excuse my hair. I know I'm bald head, okay? I did a big chop, so please excuse that, honey. But don't get it twisted because I always had really long hair, so don't play with me. So I like to put the gel over my part, and then I'm gonna repart it again to make sure that that part is as clean as it can be, okay? And then I'm gonna take this clip. All right, so now we can get to the braiding part. I like to take 4 really small pieces, right? So I'm gonna take like 4 small pieces like this. So that's 1, 2. I like to sit it on this chair so that it's ready for me to grab. Oh wait, this is just a tiny bit bigger, but it's still small. And then, oops, don't drop now. I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see what I'm doing. Before I add in my first piece, oh, let me pull out my baby hairs. I'm gonna take my hair, split it into 3 sections like you're doing like a normal braid. I think I braided my hair like 4 times. And now I'm gonna take the first piece and I'm gonna put it in between my thumb and my pinky. Girl, not the thumb, my thumb and my pointer finger. And then I'm just gonna braid that in. And I think I braided that like 4 times. I think I braided 4 times every time I add here. Girl, my pieces done fell. Oh Lord. Okay, so I'm adding this next piece the same way in between my thumb and my pointer finger. Okay, I think my other piece fell. Damn. My other piece fell, no. I'm just reaching over here because I'm grabbing some gel because I like to put gel on my braid while I'm braiding. But yeah, you don't want to add too much hair in at one time because it's going to make the braid just ugly and bulky. So, all right, so I'm done with this braid and I'm going to move on to the next braid. So I parted it and then I take my gel. I like to put it over the part and then I'm going to repart it. Ow, that damn clamp just clamped my thumb, my pinky. Oh my God. So again, I'm gonna take 4 tiny pieces. You can take however many pieces you want. It just depends on how thick you want your braid to be. But like I said, just make sure your pieces are small. If you're doing the big jumbo braids, then that's a bit of a different story. But for braids that's like regular size, I would say do a whole bunch of small pieces. And before I start braiding, I like to add gel. I just added gel to my hair so that when I braid, my hair will stay in the braid. But again, I'm only holding this piece because I like it to be ready to go in. I'm about to braid my real hair first. I took my real hair and I'm gonna braid it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And then I want to take this piece and add it in on my pointer finger and my thumb and just braid it in. And I braided that down like 4 times as well. Now I'm going to add in my next piece. Oh, y'all, my arm hurt for real though. Oh! So now I'm going to add in my last piece, and it just fell again. Oh shit, my comb. I'm adding in my last piece. I like to put it between my pointer finger and my thumb. And braid it in. Just like that. Y'all see how that braid looks? That's what you want. And now I'm just gonna braid it down, honey. I'm so ready to be done, y'all. And if you ever have a hard time with making your hair blend, just use some gel. Or you can use like some type of braiding wax. I used to use a braiding wax, but I bought this gel and I like the gel better. Y'all, I feel like I'm doing these very fast. Like when I was sitting down doing my hair, oh, my comb keep falling. I don't know what it is, but I feel like I'm doing these so fast. Like when I was sitting down doing these, I was just moving so fast. We parting off the next one. This one is kind of awkward because the squares is going to be like weirdly shaped because this was a rectangle. And I kind of want to do it as one, but I'm going to split it. I feel like y'all get it now. By now, I feel like y'all get it, but I'm gonna keep going. Grabbing 1, 2, 3. Girl, I got hair all in my gel. My last piece. I feel like this is one of those hairstyles where you gotta watch it and do it, like practice it at the same time to like really get it, you know, because it's not really, y'all see how that braid looks, honey? Yes, it's not really a this hairstyle is not that simple. I mean, the more you do it, then the easier it will be. But it's definitely not like, it's simple. It's something you really gotta do like over and over to really get it. So, girl, go get you some hair. Go in your little hair bag, your little hair drawer, and get you some braiding hair and just practice with me. Because honestly, that's the only way you probably gonna really get it, you know. But the more you do it, the easier it'll get. Like if you start your hair, that first row might look a little rough, but then when you keep going and you get to the top, girl, them things gonna be cute. I'm just braiding it down now. Just braiding it down. Period. I think this is gonna be the last one I show y'all because I still gotta braid my hair and dip it and do all that extra stuff. So, all right, so I'm gonna take some of my gel. Okay, and I'm gonna put it on my ends and And then I'm gonna take my 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so. So basically, okay, first of all, I finished my hair like a week ago, child, and I'm just not finishing this video. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe to my mother freaking channel so that you don't miss another video from me, okay, period. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.